What if the key to living pain-free was already on your plate? In this video, we'll reveal 7 powerful food secrets that naturally reduce inflammation, ease joint discomfort, and help you feel healthier every day. From anti-inflammatory superfoods and nutrient-rich meals to hydration habits and surprising dietary swaps, these science-backed tips will show you how to manage pain with the power of nutrition. Chronic pain significantly impacts millions, but our diet offers a powerful, often overlooked tool for management and prevention. Food directly influences inflammation, gut health, and overall bodily functions, all deeply intertwined with pain perception. By making conscious dietary choices, you can transform your body's internal environment, fostering greater comfort and well-being. A primary strategy involves embracing anti-inflammatory foods. Focus on colourful fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats like omega-3 rich fish, avocados, and extra virgin olive oil. These foods are packed with antioxidants and beneficial compounds. Simultaneously, prioritize gut health by consuming probiotic-rich foods such as yogurt and kefir, alongside prebiotic fibers found in garlic and oats. A balanced gut strengthens immunity and improves nutrient absorption, reducing systemic inflammation. Proper hydration is fundamental for pain management, lubricating joints, transporting nutrients, and flushing out waste products. Aim for consistent water intake throughout the day. Additionally, optimize your omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio. Increase omega-3s from sources like fatty fish and flax seeds, while reducing excessive omega-6 found in many processed vegetable oils. This balance is crucial for managing inflammation. Identifying and eliminating food sensitivities can significantly reduce pain. Common culprits like gluten or dairy can trigger delayed inflammatory responses. An elimination diet, guided by a professional, helps pinpoint these triggers. Furthermore, managing blood sugar levels is vital. Choose complex carbohydrates, pairing them with protein and healthy fats to prevent spikes and crashes that contribute to inflammation and pain. Finally, incorporate pain-fighting herbs and spices into your diet. Turmeric, with its active compound curcumin, is a potent anti-inflammatory. Ginger helps reduce muscle pain, and cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which can desensitize pain receptors. Garlic and rosemary also offer anti-inflammatory benefits. These natural additions enhance your body's ability to fight pain. Food is truly medicine. By consciously choosing foods that reduce inflammation, support gut health, stabilize blood sugar, and provide essential nutrients, you can profoundly impact your body's ability to heal. This holistic approach, combined with other healthy lifestyle choices, empowers you to take control of your well-being and live with less discomfort. Always consult a healthcare professional before making significant dietary changes. If you're ready to feel better from the inside out, hit like, drop your favorite anti-inflammatory food in the comments, and subscribe for more health and wellness tips every week. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe for more video.